Hey everyone, this is Paul from Team Member Enablement, and today I'll be showing you how to change a Zoom meeting to private internal only, meaning that users with a @gitlab.com account can only join this meeting. So you will have to do this through the Zoom dashboard. So you will need to go to your Okta account and just hit the Zoom SSO button. This will bring you to the Zoom dashboard. Please keep in mind that you can't change this through the Google Calendar. So if you want to change this for an existing meeting, you'll have to do it through here. Or if you're scheduling a new meeting, you will have to schedule it through the Zoom dashboard here. So first I will show you on an existing meeting. So we'll use this test meeting here. What I will do is I'll hit the edit button and scroll down here where it says require authentication to join. I will hit this little check mark and then make sure you change this to GitLab internal only. This will change it so that users with a @gitlab.com account can only join. Then I will scroll down and just hit the save button. So that's it for the existing meeting. If I want to do this for a brand new meeting that I'm creating, I will hit the schedule a meeting button here. I will fill in all the details that I need for this meeting and then scroll down here where it says require authentication to join. I will just hit this check mark again and change it to GitLab internal only. Finish filling in all the details and just hit the save button. So that'll be everything to change your meeting to internal only. Thank you for watching.